Today I'm going to show you how to hide the ribbon in Outlook. So I'm starting here by opening my Microsoft Outlook app on my computer. Once the app launches, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load properly. This just takes a moment while Outlook pulls up my inbox and gets everything ready. Now that my emails have loaded and I'm looking at my inbox, I can see the full Outlook interface in front of me. The ribbon is that toolbar section located at the top part of the screen, and it contains all the different tools and commands you might use while working with your emails. Sometimes this ribbon can take up quite a bit of space, especially if you're working on a smaller screen or you just want more room to see your messages. So hiding it can really help you focus on your emails without all that extra clutter at the top. Now, there are actually two different ways to hide the ribbon in Outlook, and I'm going to walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever one feels easier for you. The first method involves using the ribbon itself. So I'm looking up at the top right corner of the ribbon and I can see a small drop-down arrow sitting right there. I'm going ahead and clicking on that arrow. As soon as I do that, a ribbon layout menu appears on the screen. This menu shows me a few different options for how the ribbon can be displayed. What I'm looking for here is the option that says Show Tabs Only. So I'm clicking on Show Tabs Only, and just like that, the ribbon hides all the tools and menus underneath. Now I can still see the tab names at the top like Home, Send and Receive, and Folder, but all the buttons and commands that were taking up space are now hidden. This gives me a much cleaner view of my inbox and more room to focus on my emails. Now, the second method is even easier and faster, especially if you're someone who likes using keyboard shortcuts. All I need to do is hold down the Control key on my keyboard and then press F1. This is a toggle shortcut, which means it works both ways. If the ribbon is currently showing, pressing Ctrl and F1 will hide it. And if the ribbon is already hidden, pressing Ctrl and F1 again will bring it back. So it's a really quick way to switch between having the ribbon visible or hidden depending on what you need at the moment. And that's all there is to it. You can hide the ribbon by clicking the drop-down arrow at the top right of the ribbon and selecting Show Tabs Only, or you can use the Ctrl plus F1 shortcut to toggle it on and off instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.